What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in today's video we are going to do a little explaining of how the battery health or battery cycle is calculated on your iPhone. So to check your battery cycle, you need to go into settings, go where you see battery and battery health, and you guys can see right there. As you can see, my phone right here have a maximum capacity of 100. I have a cycle count of 153. So it shows how much time you have used your full percent battery onto your phone. Now how this cycle count actually calculated is the amount of time you use your phone from 100% to 0%. It's not the amount of time you charge your phone, but the amount of time you use your phone from 100% goes down to 0%. So let's say if today you use your phone up to 50% and then tomorrow you use another 50%, regardless if you even charge it to 100. Now once you use up that full 100% of your battery, it will count it as one cycle. Next day you use another 100%, you will count as another cycle. So it basically shows or counted whenever you use up the full capacity of your battery to 100%. And that's how the cycle is counted. So guys, it's not the amount of time you charge your phone, but the amount of time you use up your battery to 100%. It will count it as your cycle count. According to the Apple side, if you goes up to about 500 cycle, the battery is still in good condition. So hope you guys find this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace. I'm out.